Today's language arts lesson will be a focus on figurative language with a focus on metaphors. The other day we had done similes, the figurative language similes, which totally makes your writing more interesting and more descriptive. Remember, similes use the words like or as to compare things. Metaphors do not use like or as. So what is a metaphor? A metaphor is a figure of speech that, for rhetorical effect, directly refers to one thing by mentioning another. It may provide clarity or identify hidden similarities between two ideas. Metaphors are often compared with other types of figurative language, such as hyperbole and simile. So now I'm going to look at this illustration of a metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares one thing to another. Metaphors do not use the words like or as. So here are some examples. The camper is a snug bug in a rug. So, is a camper a bug? No. Does a camper sleep in a rug? No. But because they're all bundled up tight in maybe their sleeping bag and they're all wrapped up in their blankets, the camper is a snug bug in a rug. So you are literally saying that the camper is that thing. The baby is a cute button. Is the baby a button? No, but you're saying that it is. The students are busy bees. So now if anyone came into our classroom and saw you all writing and typing and working together, are you really bees flying around the room? No, but you are busy bees. You are students that are working quickly and buzzing around and working hard. So we are not saying you are like busy bees. We're saying you are busy bees. So that's an example of a metaphor. The birthday boy is a happy lark. So now a lark is a bird. I have a feeling this is an old example, but you're saying, oh, the birthday boy, usually we're pretty happy on our birthdays, right? So you're saying he is a happy lark. Metaphor compares two things by saying that one is something else, usually uses the words is, are, was, or were. My life is a movie. The life is being compared to a movie using the word is. So what that really means is, like, some people who might think they have a lot of drama in their life. Oh, when you watch a movie, there's drama in it, or it's exciting. So you're saying my life is a movie, and you're using the word is to compare the two things. Here's another one. Oh, look, this one's funny. They are clowns in math class. So now, are those three clowns literally walking around in our math class? No, but they are being compared to clowns. Like, oh, maybe those kids are fooling around and being silly in class. They're not real clowns coming in, honking horns, throwing confetti, and popping balloons. They are clowns in math class. They are being compared to the clowns using the word are. So be sure when you do go to the Google form, you are coming back to this slideshow, whether it's the narrated version or the regular slideshow. You want to come back and make sure that you're getting it in you're clicking it in your brain. Is, are, was, were. Those are usually the words you see in a metaphor. More examples of metaphors. The sun was a gleaming pearl. Is the sun a pearl? No, but a pearl glistens and shines and is shiny. So you're saying it was a gleaming pearl. There's the word was. My baby brother is a cute little teddy bear. There's the word is. Is your baby brother a little teddy bear for real, like stuffed with ears and sits on your bed? No, that's why it's a metaphor, because it's not saying it's like or as, it's saying that it is. My sister's memory is a camera that remembers everything we see. Some people have memories like that. So there's the word is. You're comparing sister's memory to a camera, because we know when you take a picture, it's there forever, right? Unless you delete it. So there you go. So in the first one, they're comparing sun and gleaming pearl. The second one, they're comparing brother to a cute little teddy bear. The third one, they're comparing the sister's memory to a camera. The fourth one, the car seat is a fluffy cloud. Now, it could be the couch is a fluffy cloud. My bedroom, my new bed is a fluffy cloud. They're comparing the car seat to a fluffy cloud. And there is the word is. Custard is happiness in a bowl. So there's the word is. They're comparing custard, or it could be frozen yogurt, or it could be ice cream, or it could be apple pie, it could be whipped cream, it could be soup. Custard is happiness in a bowl. So if you were to use this in your writing, that's pretty interesting, right? Like, I can tell how much you love whatever's in that sentence, whether it's custard or ice cream or chocolate sprinkles, whatever. So those are some more examples of metaphors. So remember, metaphor is a comparison, not using the words like or as. That's a simile. And here's another example. Kyle was a rock. So maybe, have you ever seen like a little kid run into home plate and they fall back because they hit they ran into the umpire? Well, maybe that umpire was a rock, like big, strong, didn't move when you ran into it. So that would just be another example. So now every year, Mrs. G and I show this video. It's called Metaphors in Music, and it's a brief video of just a compilation of different songs. There's another lesson sometimes we show. There's a lot of metaphors in Disney movies. So once you start to get thinking about metaphors and similes, you'll often come across it in your reading, in movies, in, people speaking, because it helps clarify what you're trying to say. So please complete the Google form and turn in your assignments, and then you will be given a grade and check your email for your feedback, just like with your similes assignment. Have a great day.